Okay, time to take a look at the portable outdoor power station. So this looks like the charger. It outputs 15 volts at 6 amps, so that is 90 watts. Oh, that's cool. So it has a car outlet adapter, so we can even charge that thing while we're out and about. And we got the power cable for the power supply. And we got the operation manual. Oh, that's cool. So the first thing I can say about it that I really like is just the design of the thing. So most of these power stations, they look, they're like orange and black and they're supposed to be like high vis, and I just don't really like the look of them. This one actually looks kind of elegant. Looks like kind of like a 50s motif. Very cool looking. Looks like we got a light in the back. Got a really cool rubber handle here. It's actually very nice. That's cool. All right, so we got 2 AC outlets and they are fully covered, so that's good. We got 2 USB-A ports, 2 USB-C ports, we got our DC output, and we got our charging port. And then this, so we got a DC car jack, so if we have anything that we need to plug in, but we don't actually want to plug that into our car, we can just use this for that. That's pretty cool. Up here we got options for DC, AC, we got power, and we got the light. Okay. So you can see it does come with a partial charge. We are at 30%. It is currently using 0 watts of power. It has 999 hours. So that's cool. So depending on the amount of power that you're actually drawing from this will actually tell you how long you can run that for. So that can be cool just if you want to check like the power draw of the different things that you're going to be using. And if we turn the light on, yep, we got that light in the back. So if we need to just like read the information on the side of a tire or anything like that, got that option. So we got high, low, and SOS. Cool. So I'm going to set it to AC. Cool. We got power. So this is saying it's pulling about 53 watts and it can run for about 3.1 hours. So that means that at 30%, I'll be able to run this light for 3 hours. What that means is if this is fully charged, I'll actually be able to run this light for a full 10 hours just with this. So that's awesome. Now the thing that makes these things great for me is that you can actually charge these things with solar panels, so you don't even have to have power available. So let's get that plugged in and see how that works. So we got kind of an overcast day today, but we'll see if we can get anything out of this solar panel. We are charging, so you can see this little indicator going up, so that means we can get power with the solar panel. So yeah, that's awesome. It's gonna be a fantastic little power station.